How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's doing well. On today's video, I'm gonna be installing carbon fiber handbrake. Here's the carbon fiber handle brake that I will be installing today. If you're interested in this product, check down the link on the description below. Here are the materials that we'll be using today. Plastic pry tool, tie wrap, wire cutter, leather cleaner and conditioner, microfiber towel. Using the pry tool, pry up the trim that's holding the leather boots of the handbrake. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and lightly tap the subscribe button down below. And also don't forget to show your support by hitting the like button. Wiggle and pull the handle out. Clip the leather boot to expose the tie wrap. Then cut the tie wrap with a wire cutter. Careful when cutting not to damage the leather. Install the carbon fiber handle the same way as the old handle and install the tie wrap. Clean and condition the leather boot before installing the handle. Pull the handle back until you hear the click. Test the handbrake. Then put back the leather trim. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you're stopping by for the first time, please subscribe and I will see you on the next one.